Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to share our thoughts on a fantastic product designed to improve your cell signal in challenging environments. We found this product online, and we've included a link in the description for you to check out the latest price and availability. Today, we're diving into the weBoost Metal Building 100 Cell Signal Booster Kit. This innovative device is specifically engineered to enhance your 5G and 4G LTE voice, text, and data signals inside metal buildings, which are notorious for blocking cellular reception. If you've ever been frustrated by weak signals in your workspace or facility, this could be the solution you've been searching for. Let's talk about some of the standout features of the weBoost Metal Building 100. First and foremost, it can cover up to 8,000 square feet of space. This means it's perfect for various small to medium-sized metal buildings, whether that's an auto shop, a warehouse, an independent gym, or even offices and storage facilities. This extensive coverage ensures that every corner of your building can benefit from enhanced cellular connectivity. At the heart of this kit is the weBoost Office 100 amplifier. This powerful device boasts an impressive gain of up to 72 dB and uplink power of up to 24 dBm. What does this mean for you? Simply put, it ensures that your cellular signals are amplified to professional grade levels, making daily operations more efficient and keeping you connected when it matters most. One of the key features that sets this booster apart is its design for rural and remote areas. If you work or live in a location where outdoor reception is often weak, this product is engineered to reach cell towers that are further away. This capability maximizes your cellular connectivity, allowing you to maintain communication no matter where you are. The weBoost Metal Building 100 also comes with an outdoor LPDA antenna. This high-gain directional antenna is designed to focus on cell towers located up to 10 miles away. To achieve optimal results, it requires precise aiming, but once set up correctly, it can significantly enhance your connection quality at the edge of the cellular network. So, who is this product suitable for? It's ideal for anyone who works in or manages a metal building and struggles with poor cell reception. Whether you're a business owner trying to improve customer service, a fitness trainer wanting to stay connected with clients, or simply someone who needs reliable communication in a remote area, this cell signal booster could be a game changer for you. In practical terms, imagine being in a large warehouse where you need to take calls or send important messages, but the signal is spotty at best. With the weBoost Metal Building 100, you can enhance that connectivity, ensuring that your operations run smoothly and efficiently without interruption. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.